Okay, hi, and welcome to my class today, where I'll be teaching you how to answer GL11 Plus assessment test. I'll just solve only five and give you an assignment for today. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe. I'm a professional and licensed teacher here. I specialize in teaching English language, literature, and English and verbal reasoning, including also oral English and anything that has to do with language related, so long as it is the English language. I can deliver that. Okay, so welcome, and it's my pleasure to also inform you that you can reach out to me for even your IELTS, your TOEFL, or your IGCSE, your GCSE test, your SAT, your GMAT test. So the earlier the better for us. So let's dive right into the class for today. I shouldn't be spending more than 5 minutes, right, on this. Thank you very much. Okay, so here we have a test before us. An example has been given, and so we can say that that first one has been solved, as you see. It makes sense, right? Okay, so here we have number one question. Our number one question definitely is after trying all the letters. That's how you know. Okay, let me put in my mouse. Okay, after trying out all the letters, that is how you know which can serve you better. Sorry about that. Okay, so the best option here is letter E. If you put, let me reduce my cursor, the thickness of my brush, of my pen. So if you put E there, it becomes dine. If you put E, if this same E in front of dine makes this to be echo. So this is, which makes a lot of sense. This is dine and this is echo. Okay. So here, if you also add the E here, it becomes hair, and this here becomes easy. So you can see if this is your answer, you got that correctly. What about here? Think about it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So the best here will be T, right? So when you do that, here this becomes wilt, and here becomes tram, which is a word, and this becomes belt. If you put T here too, it becomes belt, and T in front of it becomes start. Okay, so if that's your answer, it's correct. What about here? The answer definitely will be what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what do you think? Definitely G, because by the time you add that, this becomes wing, and this becomes goat, this becomes gong. That is when you add G here, because both of them has to be the same. Here becomes girl, right? So how about here? Number 4. What do you think the answer will be? Hmm? Y. Definitely you want to put P here, and you get stuck here because this is BAP and PANK, so it won't fly. So our most coherent answer will be Y. So this becomes slay, this becomes ye, this becomes bay, and this becomes yank. All these are words, okay? So that's why you need to build your vocabulary. How about number 5? Number 5 definitely will be what? T, because here becomes GUST, gust of wind, and here becomes trim your bush. Here becomes also, it has also to be T to fit in. This is cat, right? And this is will not be tough. Good. So that will be your answer. So therefore, look at this very well and give me your answer for this. Write your answer in the comment section and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much and stay jiggy.